Hardwood floors are a popular option in homes, and for good reason. When properly maintained, they can last decades. However, with time comes scratches, holes, stains, and other signs of age that don't always look so great. So how do you decide if your hardwood floors should be restored or even replaced? Here are some factors to consider to help you decide. First, assess the amount of damage on your floor. If there are a few broken boards or worn areas on the surface, restoring could be the best option. If you see that more than 30% of your floor is damaged, there are gaps in the floorboards, or if you see signs of water damage or rot, it may be time to consider replacing your floor altogether. The next factor to consider is how much you want to change your flooring. Maybe you have plain oak but want a more modern look that a stain can't provide. Or maybe you want to incorporate a creative pattern or inlay. Replacing your flooring allows for these bigger changes. If you just want to refresh the color, refinishing with a new stain can create a whole new look for less cost. The last factor to consider is the history of your floor's repair. How many times has your floor been refinished? The process of sanding down wood and adding new stain can weaken the integrity of your floor over time. If you know your floor has gone through several rounds of refinishing, it may be time to replace. To get professional help assessing hardwood floor repair, reach out to Aladdin Cleaning and Restoration. To read more about this topic, see our blog below. And be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.